Have you heard of Project Kidnap? It's a brand new indie game brought to you by Multiworld Studio. Hold on, do I know them? Checking memories, processing information. What result found? Indeed I do. I think they were the crazy creators that make me. By the way, please let me introduce myself. I'm an AI called Bubble. Who's on Earth would name an AI Bubble? Do they know that I'm supposed to be made out of metal components? Jeez, humans these days. Where am I again? Ah, yes, I will be starring in this new game called Project Kidnap. I hope I'm not the kidnapper. Or even worse, the kidnappee. Is it a word? But who knows, so watch out. Project Kidnap will be launched on Kickstarter in a few days. What can I do in the meantime? I could binge watch a whole series. I could reprogram myself. Can I do that? Instead of just being an AI could become Master Kidnapper. It is a super cool title, don't you think? Sorry guys, I keep being distracted. Back to definitely talking about the Project Kidnap. It would be great if you could follow us on any of our social media, like at Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, to receive notification about the project. Let's make this Project Kidnap become real together. In a dark room, Will woke up and felt drowsy, as if he just got chloroform. Chloroform, or trichloromethane, is an organic compound. Its formula is CHCl3. Wait a second, I thought I was telling you a horror story. When did this turn into a chemistry lesson? Okay, back to the story about Will. Oh, I forgot to tell you who Will is. He is the main character in Project Kidnap. That means you guys will be playing as Will. So, Will was kidnapped on his birthday along with his girlfriend, Mira. He doesn't know how that happened or why, so it's your job to help him figure it out. All you can hear is the kidnapper's laughter in the dark room. The clock is ticking. Tick tock, tick tock.